Winter, the season where the air hurts your face and your car thinks it's a popsicle, and your toes might as well be ice cubes. But don't worry, Fun Friggin Facts is here to save the day with winter hacks you've probably never heard of. Go to salt for your driveway? No problem. Mix 1 pot water, 2 pots rubbing alcohol, and a tablespoon of dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray it on the ice and watch it disappear like your summer vacation. Works great, and it's pet friendly too, because we love pets almost as much as we love subscribers. Hint, hint. This hack is straight out of a farmer's playbook. Cut a potato in half, rub it on your car windows, and viola. No frost tomorrow morning. The starch creates a magical barrier that frost just can't cling to. Your neighbors will think you lost it, but you'll have the last laugh when they're still scraping off their cars. Frozen car door lock? Heat your key with the lighter for a few seconds, then gently insert it into the lock. The ice will melt faster than your patience in the traffic. But seriously, don't microwave your key, or do if you like expensive mistakes. Cold, wet feet ruining your winter vibe? Slip your socks into a Ziploc bag before putting on your boots, or a Wonder Bread bag. It traps heat and keeps moisture out so your feet stay toasty and dry. Looks weird? Yes, it works, absolutely. If you ever get stuck in a car during a winter snowstorm, this one's a lifesaver. Keep a small tin can and a candle in your glove box, light it, and you've got enough heat to stay warm until help arrives. Just remember, ventilation is key. No one wants to turn a snowstorm into an episode of Fun Friggin' Oops. Winter doesn't have to be your enemy. With these hacks, you can outsmart the cold and look like a genius while you're doing it. For more clever tips, stay tuned for more Fun Friggin' Facts.